Hi everyone, it's Michael Tiny Saul. Today is Tuesday, May 17th at 7:08 p.m. and this is Forex trading analysis for Wednesday, May 18th, 2011. Just a couple of pairs to look at and one potential setup here. So the euro coming out of that little channel, it broke out on Tuesday, but didn't go really far expansion-wise, but did basically close at the high of the bar, which is bullish. And so far in Wednesday's session, it's getting a little bit of continuation here. But we have to throw the Fibonacci grid up to see where this could run into potential trouble. And you see here, you got you got 43.83 as first resistance. So that's about 100 pips from here. But you could see it definitely not in a rush. Once we got there, the next target would be the 50% retracement of this swing down, which is also the midline of the Keltner, the 20-period moving average. So that's the euro. Looks like it could continue to get a bounce up here. Here's the Aussie dollar. I mean, had an okay day, just kind of sitting here in this little congestion area. So definitely want to watch that. Get rid of the fib grid, and we'll put on just some regular channel lines here. So from there, we'll see maybe it can break one way or the other out of this little congestion here. But remember, if there's not a lot of candles in the congestion, the breaks could be fake as the range continues to smooth out here. So if you're going to take this break one way or the other, make sure you're really aggressively managing it. Here's the yen. Okay, the yen looks like it wants to move higher as well here. You have the highs up here as the first resistance. Definitely use Tuesday's highs. But above that, you have a chance to get this high up here at 82. What is it? 82.78 up here. Okay. Let's see the Swiss. And nothing. The loonie. Let's see anything there. No. We'll probably go through all of them now since we're already halfway through or close to it. So from here, on this one, the Euro Aussie, you saw the breakout. And then it came right back in. This is mega frustrating. We didn't have a trigger on this one, but just mega frustrating to see this kind of action. But it looks like now, based on Wednesday's session, that it's trying to remount it. Maybe a little second mouse gets the cheese kind of move. Here's the Euro Kiwi. And I just want to give this one a quick refresh to make sure the bars are correct. I think they are. They are. You see here, there's a nice little consolidation pattern here. So if this stays within this little consolidation, let's say between Tuesday's low and the Monday high, that one can definitely be watched tomorrow for a potential move. So that's the Euro Kiwi. Here is the pound nothing. Here is the pound Kiwi. The Euro Yen looks like it wants the moving average. Here's the Swiss Yen. Okay, tag the moving average. And now in Wednesday's session, looks like it's just coming over it. The Aussie Yen, no. Here's the pound Yen. Pound Swiss, looks like it may want to roll over, but there's no trigger here. There's nothing saying, oh, okay, let's bracket this and watch. Maybe after Wednesday there could be something. So the Aussie Swiss, there's the Kiwi Swiss. The loonie Swiss, the Kiwi loonie, still setting up in a sideways consolidation. This one is really boring on the daily chart here. You can see under 12 on the 120-minute chart for the ADX. And then finally the Aussie loonie. And this one still has the looks of a potential bull flag here. You had the move down here in a little zigzag pattern. Hold on one second. Okay, I apologize for that. My 1.5-year-old wanted to come in and hit me with a piece of Lego, so I have to let him do that. It makes him feel important. Okay, so here's the Aussie loonie cross, and you can see that it looks like it's in a bullish flag pattern. Let's go down to the weekly chart. Go up actually to the weekly chart. Yeah. I mean, this one could be nice. All right, we got the base breakout, and now we have the small little flag that held. So let's set up a potential entry on this one. You gotta figure it's always the last one you look at, right? Okay, here's what I want to see. I want to see us tag this line. First off, I want to make this line a little bit better. Okay, so this line looks pretty legitimate here, and this line is a parallel to it now. So you can see the purple line. I changed it to purple. That's the breakout line, and we held the support on the way down. So this one may be looking to go. Now, here's how I want to look at this. All right, they must not have respect for the Forex video. So here's what I'm looking at here. I want to see this come up, tag this line. Then I want to see it pause there. If it pauses at this line, like it did here, we'll be able to at least set up a level to watch for a break with a stop, okay? Like you see what it did right here? This is exactly what I want to see. Now, if you notice, it didn't break higher, but that's irrelevant, all right? Set up, it tagged the line, then it set up a pause candle. This way we could say, okay, if it breaks above now, we'll be looking to go with it. Instead, it broke down, so it's no harm, no foul. So that's what I want to see here. I don't want to necessarily look to get long or, when it's breaking out here. The video likes to wait for the setups and likes to wait for a little congestion right before the breakout or before a breakdown. So I like to come up, tag this line, move sideways, and then we'll be able to quantify it. But this one definitely looks like it could be a nice one. Okay, and if it dumps right from here, oh well. It's long as it doesn't trigger, there's no harm, no foul if it goes the other way, obviously. All right, so watch that euro, see if it can get up to this level up here as a first target. And I'll talk to everybody again tomorrow. Have a great trading day on Wednesday. Sorry for all the interruptions. Take care.